Welcome to the Best Picks. The Best Guide Code is probably one of the most essential tools for any auto body professional or DIY enthusiast looking to achieve a flawless finish, acting as a crucial indicator during the sanding process to reveal imperfections and ensure a smooth, even surface before painting. This simple yet effective product can make the difference between a professional-looking repair and a job that clearly shows signs of amateur work, highlighting every low spot, high spot, and scratch that might otherwise be missed, ultimately saving you time and frustration in the long run. Number 5. Custom Shop 16-ounce Paint Mixing Cups, Box of 100. Get a bulk box of 100 16-ounce mixing cups. They even come with 12 free lids, perfect for storing your mixed materials and keeping projects organized. Achieve precise measurements with clearly marked mixing ratios. These markings ensure accuracy for all your projects, especially with epoxy resin. Made from tough polypropylene plastic, these cups are built to last. Their solvent-resistant design makes them ideal for automotive paints and stains. These cups offer flexibility, whether you need disposable or reusable options. The clear plastic allows you to easily see the contents while mixing. Perfect for auto body shops, artists, and DIYers alike. Use them for epoxy resin, acrylic pouring, wood coatings, or even in the garden. What we like. If you're working on multiple projects or need a large supply for your auto body shop, this bulk pack is a fantastic choice. The clear, graduated markings ensure precise mixing ratios for paints and resins, minimizing waste and ensuring consistent results. Its solvent-resistant design means you can rely on it for tough automotive paints. What people say. This guide code is a great product for auto body work. It applies evenly and dries quickly, making it easy to see imperfections. The fine mist spray allows for precise application and coverage. Number 4. InoKraft D1 LVLP Air Spray Gun Premium Kit. Introducing the InoKraft D1 LVLP Air Spray Gun. It's designed for effortless operation with clear markings and a quick start guide to help you achieve professional results from the get-go. This kit provides everything a DIY enthusiast needs to get started immediately. It includes essential accessories like pressure regulators and multiple nozzle sizes for any project. Achieve a professional, even finish with exceptional paint atomization. This sprayer ensures high transfer efficiency, saving you paint and minimizing waste. Crafted with a durable, one-piece forged aluminum body and a Teflon coating, this tool is built to last. Its design also makes cleaning incredibly simple after use. Whether you're painting cars, furniture, or undertaking house DIY projects, this spray gun delivers outstanding results every time. We are committed to your satisfaction with this premium spray gun kit. Experience the difference in your painting projects. What we like. For DIY enthusiasts looking for a professional finish without the steep learning curve, this spray gun kit is ideal. It comes with everything you need to get started, including multiple nozzle sizes and helpful guides. If you want to achieve a high-quality, even paint job on cars or around the house with minimal fuss, this is the one to consider. What people say. The guide code is easy to apply and remove. It highlights imperfections in the bodywork effectively. The spray can allows for even coverage. Number 3. Master Airbrush Cool Runner 2 Dual Fan Airbrush Compressor Kit. Experience consistent air pressure with our advanced compressor. Its integrated tank ensures zero pulsation, providing a smooth and uninterrupted workflow for your projects. Designed for endurance, it features dual cooling fans for longer operation. Take full control with the built-in pressure regulator and moisture filter for optimal air quality. Achieve stunning detail with the included gravity feed airbrush. Its 0.3 mm tip allows for fine lines and broader strokes, perfect for any artistic endeavor. This comprehensive kit includes a durable air hose, a convenient dual airbrush holder, and helpful guides to get you started quickly. From intricate models to vibrant body art, this versatile tool is perfect for a wide range of applications. It works seamlessly with most types of paint media. What we like. If you're a beginner or a professional who needs a reliable airbrush system for detailed work, this kit offers excellent value. The tank compressor ensures consistent air pressure for smooth application, and the cooling fans allow for extended use without overheating. It's perfect for hobbies, models, crafts, and even fine art where precision is key. What people say. Runs quiet and is IMO flawless in simplicity and reliability. 100% satisfied. Buy the one with the tank, you won't be sorry. The compressor tank combo. Oil-free operation. Ready to run out of the box. Quiet. Well put together. Easy adjust for sigh. Out of the box there were no leaks in any of the couplings, the regulator, water filter, and tank release valve all worked as expected. The tank does a nice job of smoothing out any pulsations from the single piston compressor. I find at 20 psi I can run about 10 seconds of spray before the compressor kicks in to refill the tank. That said, I do not find the compressor to be noisy. Number 2. Custom Coat T70 Urethane Spray-On Truck Bed Liner Kit. Introducing the Custom Coat T70 Urethane Spray-On Truck Bed Liner Kit. This durable, textured coating provides long-lasting protection for your truck bed. It's designed to withstand extreme temperatures, resist UV rays, and is waterproof, preventing rust and corrosion. Achieve professional results with this easy-to-apply, 2-part urethane coating. The kit includes everything you need, even a spray gun. This flexible coating resists chipping and provides excellent impact and abrasion resistance. It's perfect for truck beds and much more. Beyond truck beds, use it on vehicle exteriors, trailers, equipment, and even for non-skid floors in your home or garage. Available in various kit sizes and application methods, you can also choose from over 50 tintable colors for a truly custom look. What we like. For those needing robust protection for truck beds or other high-wear surfaces, this 1.5-gallon kit is a great option. It provides a durable, textured, and waterproof coating that resists chipping and abrasion. If you're looking for a long-lasting, customizable protective layer for your vehicle or equipment, this offers excellent coverage and resilience. What people say. The guide coat applies evenly and dries quickly, making it easy to see imperfections. It adheres well to the surface without flaking off during sanding. The fine powder is easily wiped away, leaving a clean surface for inspection. Number 1. Custom Coat T70 Urethane Spray-On Truck Bed Liner. Introducing the Custom Coat T70 Urethane Spray-On Truck Bed Liner. This kit provides a durable, textured protective coating for your truck bed. Our 1-quart kit includes everything you need for a professional application, including the liner base, hardener, color tint, and a spray gun with regulator. This premium coating is built to last, offering resistance to heat, UV rays, and water, preventing rust and protecting surfaces. Unlike other liners, it's flexible, resisting chips and providing excellent impact and abrasion protection. It also helps dampen sound and vibrations. Beyond truck beds, it's perfect for vehicle exteriors, equipment, trailers, and even home projects like garage floors and steps. Choose from over 50 tintable colors to create a look that's uniquely yours, or opt for a camouflage pattern. Achieve professional quality results easily with our DIY kits, available in various sizes and application methods. What we like. If you have smaller projects or are new to applying bed liners, this 1-quart kit is perfect for you. It offers the same durable, flexible, and protective urethane coating as the larger kits but in a more manageable size. If you want to easily add a custom color or a tough protective layer to various surfaces around your home or vehicle, this kit provides a great starting point. What people say. The guide coat applies evenly and dries quickly, making it easy to spot imperfections. It adheres well to sanded surfaces and doesn't easily wipe off, allowing for thorough inspection. The fine powder highlights even minor scratches and low spots, which is crucial for achieving a smooth finish. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.